I'm still blown away that this could be 17 nights in a row. And the article says that these happened approximately 45 minutes to an hour after sundown. And then it goes for 17 nights in a row. What do you think was happening on the ground in real time? Because we clearly didn't respond in a way to intercept them for the reasons that you've mentioned that we'll revisit later. What do you think was happening at these bases while this was going on?
It's called a flap X, where everybody runs around flapping their wings, trying to figure out what to do. That's 90% of your time in the government. So
Yeah.
it would have been chaos. And one thing I think the article did say, they scrambled and got all the F
Yes.
22s out of there. These are high value assets. You want to protect them. You're not going to use an F 22 to take on a drone swarm like this. Your first step, get them out of there, because we don't have a whole lot of the F 22s. You don't want them damaged, so get them out of there. Same thing for Oceana. I don't think it mentioned Oceana, but those are all the fighter aircraft for the Navy on the East Coast. I hope they scrambled and got those out of there. Those are sitting ducks on the ground. That's bad stuff. I hope they would have scrambled some of the Navy ships at Norfolk Navy Base. Just look up, everybody just look up Norfolk Navy Base and some of the promotional photos, and you'll see all the East Coast ships tied up nice and neat. Looks like Battleship Row in 1941 at Pearl Harbor. I mean, that quadcopter flies over that line of ships, starts dropping thermite grenades, sets those ships on fire. It's over. I hope they scrambled some of the ships and got them out of there.